Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have an array of things. I always try to make these longer videos, kind of have a little bit of something for everyone. We have some data entry, we have some customer service, I know people in the comments have been asking, or at least someone has, for HR human resources type positions. We have that too. We have companies like Pizza Hut and Ross. Of course, the links to all the pages that I'm going to share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to get those applications in or even read reviews on companies from their Glassdoor pages. I do want to quickly note that the goal of this channel is just trying to help you find the best work from home jobs possible. I simply share what I find online. I don't work for these companies, so the only information I have is what is in the job posting. So if companies don't list that they have state restrictions, I'm assuming they're hiring throughout the United States, but of course you'll have to get that application in or check with them to know for sure if they're not listing it in the job posting. But diving right on in, first up we have Ross Dress for Less. Ross stores, I don't know if they're everywhere within the United States. I love the Ross store I have in my hometown. I find a lot of good clothes at cheap and affordable prices there, but they are hiring an HR services representative. They're looking for somebody to basically serve as the point of contact for their HR services, helping support with their background check screening process, being responsible for researching and executing quality evaluations, and resolution of needs review background checks in compliance with laws and regulations, as far as just all the other HR functions. So you'll monitor various HR inboxes, responding to inquiries, and escalating to the appropriate work group as needed. You'll also have to be on the phone taking incoming calls from different associates at different stores, dealing also with things like payroll and benefit questions from people who currently work at Ross stores. So not only are you going to deal with current employees, you're also going to deal with like that hiring background check of new employees, logging all inquiries into a case management system for the company, and tracking and reporting on customer service requests and your case workload. Now, as far as those background checks go, you're going to review them and determine whether they should be passed or failed, partnering with clients for outcomes based on the results of that background screening. You're going to help managers, supervisors, and recruiters interpret and report the background check results to them. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $21.39 an hour all the way up to $30.91 an hour, but they are going to require a bachelor degree for this position. I think this is the only position I'm sharing that requires a degree. You do have to have 1 to 3 years of administrative experience, know how to use those Microsoft Office systems like Word and Excel, have great attention to detail, and be able to meet those service level expectations. Now, please note, it does say this position may be performed remotely anywhere within the United States, so I don't think this one has any state restrictions. Moving right along, well-known pizza company Pizza Hut. They have 13,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a call center representative. Now, this one is not going to require any experience, but unfortunately, their job description is very short, so I am not sure if they're only hiring in somewhere near McKinney, Texas, or they're hiring throughout the United States. This is a remote position though. They're seeking an energetic call center representative for their Pizza Hut call center. It says you can work from home and enjoy a flexible schedule. So you're going to work in a fast-paced environment, offering great customer service over the phone while taking guest orders. No experience is necessary, but you do have to have great communication skills. This is a part-time position working as an independent contractor, and they're looking for someone to work most evenings and weekends when their call volume is high. It does say that they're going to give you all the training you need to do the job. So again, it is a remote work from home position. They don't state that they have any state restrictions. And unfortunately, they did not list a pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, I did find that call center representatives at Pizza Hut make anywhere from $25,000 to $34,000 a year. $34,000 a year for a full-time position would break down to $16 an hour. With this one being part-time, I'm not sure what that hourly pay would be. This is just an estimate. Keeping it moving right along for you this Monday morning, not to waste anyone's time. Next up, we have JJ Keller. They have 314 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an office operations. This is 100% remote. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they're basically looking for somebody to do administrative and office work, managing their fleet and regulatory compliance and their different driver safety and vehicle compliance. So you're basically going to audit driver qualification documents and their drug and alcohol information for the clients. You'll identify discrepancies, check the systems for different information, and enter any information into the applicable system. You'll work with the client service specialist to obtain and validate client information, updating all data in the systems. So you'll have to keep up on things like local, state, and federal regulations as far as these fleet trucks on the road and the drivers that are driving them, maintaining confidentiality under all HIPAA and all regulatory guidelines, making sure that you have their personal identification information and everything just entered into the system. Now, this is paying $17 an hour. They offer a standard benefit package that includes paid time off, medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k, and they're not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of experience in some kind of general office setting, like if you've done administrative work before, something like that, and you do have to know how to use a computer. Next up, we do have a data entry position, but real quickly before I get into it, now would be a great time to just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give me that direct feedback. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share this video with them so that we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But the company BCT Partners, now they only have 14 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 14 reviews, though, they do have a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a data entry specialist. As a data entry specialist, they're looking for somebody who has a razor sharp eye for detail, so you can collect and digitalize data from invoices, canceled bills, client information, financial statements. So you're going to have all of these source documents that you're looking at, and you're going to take and collect information from that, putting it, I assume, in some kind of database. You're going to maintain detailed and organized storage system to ensure these data entries are complete and accurate, keeping a record of the hard copies like invoices, inventory checklist. So you'll make sure you file away these PDF documents or whatever they are that you grabbed data from to enter into the system in some kind of filing system that is organized. You're going to have data entry standards by updating filing systems to improve the data quality, addressing any inconsistencies by working with administrative staff to help locate any missing data. So this is just straight taking data from one thing and entering it into another data entry. Now, while they don't require any college degree, they do require a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of experience working as a data entry specialist. You do need knowledge of how to work a computer and some data entry software. You've got to have great organizational skills, again, that great eye for detail, and great time management skills. Now, of course, because it is data entry, you are going to have great typing skills as well. Unfortunately, this job did not list the pay. I don't work for any of these companies. Again, that'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. I did try to do some digging and could not find any estimated pay for you for this company. Moving right along, though, next up we have the company Firstsource Solutions. They have 2,800 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a quality supervisor. Now, I always say if you have the skills, moving up into leadership roles like team leads, supervisors, managers is great for a work from home career. That's exactly what I did in my career path. I started out as a regular rep and moved my way up working as a team lead and now a hiring supervisor. It is a great way to have a work from home career that lasts many years. But Firstsource is looking for somebody to handle a team of employees directing, reviewing, and reporting their daily audit feedback activities of the team you're assigned. You'll conduct meetings with this team regularly, being involved in their daily team-driven actions, just helping them develop their skills and improvements to achieve that associate level merit. You're going to provide quality follow-through in the form of reporting and escalation. So you're going to be reviewing the work they do, helping them out, giving them feedback, and reporting anything up that you need to report, developing a internal monitoring results and feedback system for the team. Now, while it is not required, they prefer somebody who has a college degree or relevant experience in business administration, communication, or quality assurance. They do point out that that is preferred. It is not required. So if you have a great experience in this arena, but only a high school diploma, I bet you they will take that, because today's world, experience is going to trump the degree always. They are looking for somebody who has that previous work experience in quality assurance or improving different processes, 1 year of experience in some kind of supervisor or leadership type role, somebody who has the ability to identify opportunities for improvement, great communication skills, and great organizational skills. Of course, you got to be a team player because you're managing a whole team of people. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for staying with me, supporting me, and watching me. Don't forget, you can leave anything in the comments specific to what you're looking for, because I do read those. But give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Of course, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.